If you are a developer and you are still ignoring AI in 2026, then you are making one of the biggest mistakes in tech right now. Because AI is becoming part of everyday development. Whether you are building websites, backend systems, mobile apps, internal tools, or automation workflows, AI is slowly becoming part of the process. So, in this video, I am going to break down 9 reasons why every developer should learn AI in 2026. And trust me, reason number 7 might be the most important one. Okay, so let's get into it. So, first reason, AI is becoming a normal developer skill. कुछ साल पहले AI सिर्फ मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर्स या रिसर्च लोग यूज करते थे, बट अब सीन चेंज हो गया है। आज के टाइम पे ऑलमोस्ट हर स्टैक के डेवलपर्स AI यूज कर रहे हैं। फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर्स आर यूजिंग AI to generate ideas and speed up UI work. Backend developers are using AI APIs. Full stack developers are building AI powered products. Even DevOps and automation engineers are using AI to save time. So AI is not replacing programming. It is becoming part of programming. Just like Git become basic skill, cloud knowledge become important, वैसे ही AI भी एक essential skill बन चुकी है. So if you know how to use AI properly, you can work faster, build smarter. Now second reason, AI makes you faster. One of the biggest reasons developers should learn AI is speed. AI can help you write boilerplate code faster, debug more quickly, understand unfamiliar code, generate documentation, create test cases. That doesn't mean AI does your job for you. It means AI removes a lot of the boring parts so you can focus on the important parts. For example, if you are stuck on a bug, AI can help you think through possible causes. If you are learning a new library, AI can give you a quick explanation before you read the docs. And in a world where deadlines matter, that is a huge advantage. Now third reason, AI helps you build better products. यहाँ से actual interesting part start होता है. AI is not just something you use to code faster. It is also something you can build into your products. Think about it. Today, both users and companies expect smarter experiences. People want chatbots that actually understand them, search features that understand what they are looking for, quick summaries instead of reading pages of text, and assistants that can do useful work. And companies want products that feel more useful and more intelligent. If you understand AI as a developer, you can build this kind of features. इससे आपका skill set और valuable हो जाता है. Because now you are not just someone who can build an app. You are someone who can build products that are smarter, more interactive, and more useful. And in 2026, that's exactly what companies are looking for. Now, fourth reason, AI career options improve करती है. सच बोलूँ तो काफ़ी डेवलपर्स करियर ग्रोथ को लेके वरीड है. कुछ लोग सोचते हैं, विल AI टेक माई जॉब, विल जूनियर डेवलपर स्टिल बी नीडेड, विल आई गेट लेफ्ट बिहाइंड इफ आई डोंट लर्न AI. रियल आंसर ये है, जो डेवलपर्स AI को यूज़ करते हैं उनके पास ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होगी दैन दोज हु इग्नोर इट. आपको AI रिसर्चर बनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You just need enough understanding to use AI tools effectively, integrate AI APIs, build and features, understand prompt, know the basics of LLMs, and solve product problems with AI. That alone can make your resume stronger. It can also help you get AI developer roles, software roles with AI requirements, startup jobs, freelance work. AI is becoming a career advantage. Now, fifth reason, AI helps you stay relevant. Technology changes fast, and developers who stop learning eventually fall behind. Right now, AI is one of the biggest changes happening in software. Ignoring AI doesn't mean you won't be able to code, but you might miss opportunities and fall behind developers who know how to use it. The good thing is, learning AI doesn't mean leaving your current stack. If you are a front-end developer, AI can help you build smarter interfaces. If you are a back-end developer, AI can help you with automation and APIs. If you are a full-stack developer, AI can help you build complete products faster. So, अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो तो AI आपको मोर जॉब रेडी बनाता है. Now, sixth reason, you don't need advanced math to start. बहुत सारे डेवलपर्स AI सुनते ही सोचते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स मैथ, रिसर्च पेपर्स, मशीन लर्निंग थ्योरी और बहुत डिफिकल्ट कॉन्सेप्ट्स, और इसी वजह से वो स्टार्ट ही नहीं करते. बट द ट्रूथ इज, You do not need to start that way. If your goal is to become an AI aware developer, you can start with practical concepts like what is AI, what is an LLM, what is prompt engineering, how does RAG work, how do API connect to apps. You can learn a lot by building real projects first. This is actually the best way for many developers. Now, seventh reason, AI is a skill multiplier. This is the most important point. AI is not just another topic on your learning list, it is a force multiplier. If you already know coding, AI helps you code better. If you already know product thinking, AI helps you build smarter features. If you already know problem solving, AI helps you solve faster. If you already know communication, AI helps you explain and document better. This is why AI is so powerful. Now, reason number 8. Where should you start learning AI? Now, if you are wondering what exactly to learn, I have already created a complete AI engineer roadmap video. So, if you want a complete roadmap, just click the icon on your screen and check it out. It will give you a clear path and save you a lot of confusion. Now, reason number 9. Common mistakes क्या होती है? बहुत सारे डेवलपर्स एआई लर्न करते वक्त एक मिस्टेक करते हैं। वो सिर्फ एआई टूल्स यूज़ करते हैं, बट एआई एक्चुअली कैसे काम करता है ये कभी डीपली सीखते ही नहीं। दैट इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज इफ़ यू ओनली कॉपी आउटपुट फ्रॉम एआई टूल्स you do not gain a real skill. But if you understand the basics and build things yourself, then you actually become valuable. So use AI tools, but don't depend on them. Think of AI as a partner, not a replacement for your brain. So if you are a developer and you have not started learning AI yet, now it's the best time to start. You don't need to become an AI expert overnight. You just need to start. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more AI related content. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then keep coding, keep learning